Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how I created this design soccer mom where mom is filled with soccer balls. So stay tuned. All right, so I'm starting off with the YouTube channel thumbnail for this design. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go into elements and I'm going to search for a soccer ball. So I'm going to go into photos because I do want to use a photo, and you can grab any photo you like. So I'll grab this photo right here. I'm now going to go into my apps and I'm going to search for an app called Text Art Maker. And this is what it looks like right here. With Text Art Maker, you can create text out of any image whatsoever. So it doesn't have to be a soccer ball. It can be any type of element at all. Now for this design, I am using a soccer ball where the background is transparent. So I'm going to click on the soccer ball, and in my left panel, we have the option to use the selected image. So I am going to choose that just so that we can customize the rest of the settings. In the text option, I'm going to type mom in all caps. And this is what it's going to look like. Now, it's not very large. It's difficult to see the detail, but if we come down below text, we're going to see an option for density, which means how dense do you want that image in there? Do you want it less dense or do you want more fill in your image? So I'm going to actually come partway through because I don't want the soccer balls actually coming out of my text per se. And then below density is the particle size. We have a maximum size and we have a minimum size. So for the maximum size is 2. I imagine that that is pixels. So it's set at max 2, but if we increase that, we can see that the soccer balls are getting larger. So I'm going to leave it at 2.8, and there's also a minimum size. So that means that you're going to have soccer balls that are maximum 2, minimum 0.5. So if you want consistency, then you should probably have both of those measurements the same. So I'm actually going to bring it up just to kind of make it more consistent. And once we're done selecting our preferences, we can add that design to our workspace by clicking this purple button. All right, so here is the design that it has created. I'm going to grab this and I am just going to crop it like that. And I'm going to make it a lot larger so we can just take a look at that. So this is what it looks like right here. And I'm going to add a little bit more text to this design. So I'll come back up to my text and to my heading. And in here, I'm going to type in all caps, soccer. Now I'm going to take this and I'll just bring it up here. And I'm going to change the justification or the alignment to left aligned. And then I'm just going to make this a little bit larger, like this. And I'm going to change the spacing, the letter spacing, so that it spreads out all the way across my mom design. And let's just take a look and see what we can do with this design that says mom. So if we go into edit, we have the option to add a shadow. So let's add a shadow to this design. Let's add an outline. And let's just make that outline a little bit thinner like that. And finally, let's grab that soccer ball And let's bring it right in the center and in front of our design. And let's make that a little bit larger, like that. And that is about it. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to press that like button and subscribe. And if you want to learn more about Canva, join my YouTube channel membership where I go live every week. For now, my friends, I will say bye-bye until next time.